Guys, what's up? I'm back. Usually do this video on Wednesdays, but I was a little tired. And I was also debating whether to open my other hobby box or do some blasters. And I decided to do some blasters because I got a bunch of those on only one hobby box. So kind of mix it up a little bit. And as you can see, did replace my tripod, so no shaking or that nonsense this time, even though it was probably a little funny last time. And while clearly the odds of getting any kind of autograph are low in these blasters, and I didn't even look at the checklist, I will be showing off an autograph. I'm not really going to say what it is right now. I think it's something different. It is wrestling related. So when I'm done with the blasters, guaranteed autograph in this video. Again, hard to tell with these roster cards. I'm guessing the standard color, I guess as I go through these, is this silver, and this over here represents a bronze, which I guess is cool, but these sets have a lot of bronze, so I don't think they're that special or rare. Which I'm probably stating the obvious there. Now, not much going on since my last video, other than I am looking at some different ideas for future videos. Definitely have some new stuff around here. I've been picking up stuff to get signed at the gathering next month in North Carolina. So maybe I will preview some of that stuff. There we got our Summerslam poster. And I saw this before. It's kind of a weird one because this card is for Extreme Rules, and this is a SummerSlam set. So kind of an odd choice there. I've also put up a few new things since I made the full video, or when I posted the full video of the museum down here. So maybe I'll do a video on that, and then maybe at some point I'll even do a full walkthrough. My last one was just set to music because I felt like the video would go on and on, but I figure if that one's already out there for anybody who may want to see the more extended tour, maybe I'll do that. And we got a Rousey tribute. I know somebody was looking for these, so that's 30 of 40. I'm going to keep that to the side. And we got 3 packs left for the hit. Got Mandy Rose. Probably mentioned this before, but I like the gold outfit with this yellow gold background. Last pack before our first hit. Okay, see what kind of hit we got. So far, I think I've gotten one shirt relic, and basically mostly mats. So we have our women's cards here. And it is a matte relic of Harper, and it is unnumbered. So, not much doing there. No offense to Luke Harper. So let's get to our second blaster. Alright, actually took a second there to clean up. There were just too many wrappers on this table. But yeah, I gotta say, so far, this is gonna be, I guess, my fourth blaster break of this. So this would be my 8th blaster. And not too impressed with the hits. Another Rousey tribute. 27 of 30. You know, it's been all mats, and I know that's the standard for blasters, but you know, I kind of thought this was going to be a special set, like Road to WrestleMania and like the Heritage set that preceded it. And actually, this is something to talk about. Greatest Royal Rumble. You know, I know a lot of people not a fans of them going there, and I would include myself in that. But if you're into the financial stuff and you heard about the conference call, they were basically telling people and the investors how much money they made there, and that's what it unfortunately comes down to, as it does a lot of times, just cold hard business. Because the investors were happy to hear about the money they made in Saudi Arabia from those shows. We just talked about that. Another poster. Another Extreme Rules. Money in the Bank. Ah yes, the Ultimate Warrior defeats the Honky Tonk Man. I remember that when I was a teenager. And for its time, I wasn't a huge Warrior fan, but it was pretty cool. The Honky Tonk Man was basically being a heel, talking crap about how he was the greatest Intercontinental Champion when he was a character, but he was the worst, and he was supposed to be the worst. 29 of 40. So just seeing the Warrior come in there and absolutely kill him was entertaining. And if you're not familiar at the time with what happened, that was actually supposed to be Brutus the Barber Beefcake, but he got into a parasailing accident, So they gave it to Warrior. And that was kind of his rise to ultimately facing Hulk Hogan at WrestleMania 6 and winning the belt. Little history lesson there. Alright, 2 packs before our next hit. Sorry if I'm going through these kind of fast. Okay, let's get to that last hit. Once again, very heavy on Charlotte. It looks like we at least have a numbered card. So we've got a War Games matte relic. Kind of like these because at least they're black. It's 12 out of 50. So at least we got that. A little bit better hit. So let's take a look at our autograph. Okay. Sorry for the glare. Okay, it's a little bit better. But this is Mariah May. She's a young wrestler, early 20s, based out of the UK, and in my opinion, really up and coming. Just only has a few matches under her belt, but if you look her up, she's already really good. Obviously very attractive, and somebody who I think is going to be a big star in the business. And she's just been offering her first 8x10s. I jumped in on it. As you can see, personalized. If you ask her to write something on there, she will. Very nice signature, because that's certainly a complaint with the modern wrestlers, is how illegible or short the signatures are. So if you want to get in on something early, I suggest you watch her and give her a follow on Twitter and Instagram, Mariah May X. And she is very interactive and definitely someone you want to keep an eye on. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Keep checking back.